Hello viewers, welcome back to Pritha's Cooking House. Today I am going to share with you all a very famous North Indian dish or a very famous Indian street food recipe, that is naan puri. So we all are very much familiar with the name or very much familiar with the dish because in India, if there is any kind of social gatherings like marriage parties or birthday parties, then naan puri is one of the common item in any kind of social parties. So let's begin with the process. Before that, I must remind you all that if you are new here in my channel, then don't forget to subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. And if you like the recipe, then please like the video, share the video with your family and friends, and comment on the below comment section.
For making naan puri, I have taken here 2 cups all-purpose flour, 1 cup water, salt as per taste, sugar as per taste, 1 teaspoon baking powder, half teaspoon baking soda, 1 cup curd, 2 cups refined oil. In a mixing jar, I have added all-purpose flour or maida. Then I have added all the dry ingredients, that means salt and sugar as per taste, and baking powder and baking soda. I have mixed all these dry ingredients properly. After mixing all the dry ingredients properly, now we need to add some dahi or curd into this mixture, and then we need to give it a quick mix. Now we need to add some water gradually into it, and the water should be lukewarm, and we need to make a soft dough. See, our soft dough is now ready. Now we need to add some refined oil into this dough and need to give it a good mix. After mixing the oil with the dough, now we need to grease some more oil on the top of the dough and need to keep this aside for around 3 to 4 hours. I am back after 4 hours. See, the size of the dough has increased and it became more soft. Now we need to mix this dough again for around 2 to 3 minutes. After mixing the dough for 3 minutes, I have divided the dough in 5 parts and made 5 medium-sized ball out of it, and now we need to roll out these balls. For rolling out smoothly, I have added some oil on the top. After rolling out, the thickness should be like this. Then we need to fry these naan puris. For frying, I have taken here one karhai or a frying pan, and I have added some refined oil into it, and when the oil is well heated, we need to add these naan puris into the oil and need to fry this very well. Press down gently with the help of a spatula or spoon, and the naan puris will started become puffy. Now turn the naan puri to the other side. Each side needs to be fried well. Now we need to drain the oil properly, and then we should keep this out from the oil, and following the same procedure, we need to fry all the naan puris. Our naan puri is now ready. See how much soft these naan puris are. We can easily break them, and these can be served hot with some chana masala or aloo dum or anything you want. Chana masala and aloo dum recipe are there in my channel. The links are below in the description box. If you want, you can definitely check this out.
I hope you all liked my naan puri recipe. If you liked the recipe, then please like the video, comment on the video and share the video with your family and friends. And if you have not yet subscribed my channel, then please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get regular recipe updates. And if you have any special requests regarding any special recipes, then do let me know by commenting on the below comment section. I will definitely try to bring the recipe in front of you as soon as possible. We'll be back very soon with a new recipe. Till then, bye bye.